Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute whale. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy mouth. Next, draw the head, then continue with the big body. Now, add the tail at the back and don't forget the fins. Also, draw a little water splash on top of the head. Finally, continue add some grass on the ground. Now, it's time to color. Color the body with blue. Use white for the belly. Add a little darker blue for shading to make it look more lively. You can also color the water splash and bubbles with light blue. And done! Your cute whale is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing.